Well, hello YouTube, Dano here. Look at that. Trying something different, hands-free. Um, I'm gonna do something here that I wasn't too sure if I really wanted to do or not, but I'm gonna give it a shot anyways. I was contacted by olsatools, and they want me to take a look at something. So a little back and forth, back and forth. We finally agreed on something that they would ship to Canada anyways. And this is it. Yep, 6-point socket set, 10 through 24. Don't skip a size. Let's open this bad boy up. I haven't even opened it yet. I thought I'd give them a shot, see what they're all about. I was actually after something else, but found out we're not shipping them to Canada, so we'll check into this, see how she looks. I've seen a few other YouTubers got these too, so look at that. Is that not a nice case or what? Leave a spot for you to lock them up if you don't want anyone else playing with your tools. There we go, first look. They are nicely oiled. Very nicely oiled. And don't want them rusting on the way out. Alright, so 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So they don't skip size. They do look fairly decent. Got the detent on the inside. Oh, no, that's the hole. Yep, no extra detents on the inside. It does have that kind of relief on the corners, so you're not rounding your fasteners off. They're stamped, the number in the side of them, chromoly, plus the laser etching. Oh no, they look pretty good. I have a set of brakes I gotta do for a friend of mine, so we're gonna give these a shot and see how well they do on it. Plus there's a couple other things I gotta do with them. But yeah, I'll give them a shot. We'll try them out. Also tools. Yeah. Hopefully those will stay pretty good. And it looks like they've got these designed so they can stock them. The wood part of the toolbox not too bad. Okay, if it's handy. Probably not. I had a measuring tape here. Get out the trusty ruler. The case is about 5 inches tall by 18, say 19 and a half, almost 20 inches. So you need at least a 20-inch depth box if you want to put it in this way. The hinge is set up so you can't take it apart. It's just a fold hinge. But if you really want to, you just cut across there. Fit that in your toolbox. But actually, I kind of like that being in there. The handle would have been nice, but all in all, so far, it looks like a pretty good tool. I will have to do some testing with it. I've got the M12 stubby impact 1/2 inch. We'll give it a roll on that and see how it does. All right, well, in any case, like, comment, subscribe, share. Hey, this is Dano. Yep, stop by and say hello. Also, check out my Instagram. I do also have a Facebook page. It's Dano's Toolbox. Not quite sure as to how I'm going to run that yet, but it's up there if you want to go friend me. All right. Dano out. Check it out. olsatools. We're going to give them a shot. All right. Later. Yep. Dano out.